So this is the first job that we have, where a company is doing bulk hiring, right? And they want someone to work as a network engineer as well associate analyst, right? So they want freshers, right? This is for the freshers, those who want to join as freshers, they can. Location is Hyderabad and Bangalore, and the candidate should have skills in networking, cybersecurity, SOC monitoring, firewall management, threat analysis, and all those things, right? So if you have all those knowledge like CCNA, CEH, SI, EM tools, firewall, IDS, IP, threat hunting, you can join. It's not a big deal to understand all those things. And job location is Hyderabad and Bangalore. CCNA and CEH will be a relevant certificates. If you have, that will be great for you. This is the contact WhatsApp number on which you can drop a message, and if you have any questions, you can ask from there, right? And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Now the next one is uh, global experts is hiring for network engineer. T2 might be a L2. So they want 6 people to work at SUD1, right? And there are 6 opening for external devices. There are 8 openings for a network support engineer, and the above 2 is for network support specialist, right? So they want experience of 3 to 5 years, Noida based job, and if you can join immediately, then this is for you. Careers at gxinetworks.com is the mail ID on which you need to work, and this is the Noida location where you need to work, right? Next one, hiring SOC analyst, right, which is in UK, and this will be a remote based job, right? So you can work from anyone, anywhere. Candidate must okay set. So you need to be from UK or Ireland, then you can work. Minimum 2 years of experience will be there. 9 to 5 a.m. shift. ये देखो यार ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं आप लोग के लिए $75 per hour. That's what they are going to pay you. This email ID if you want to apply from another country, then you can, right? This is a Hyderabad-based job. Someone is hiring for cybersecurity intern. 3 to 6 months of experience. Internship duration is where you are going to work. Freshers job role. If you are a freshers, you can join. Right. Graduation PG in cybersecurity will be preferable. This is a Hyderabad job, and interns will be required to visit the customer location, whatever location the client is working, or what will the client location. You need to work from there. And this is a full-time employment, right? And matlab if you got selected as a full-time, then you will get a full-time role. Careers at pragyacyber.com is the mail ID on which you need to work, and your location will be Hyderabad. Next one is Innovator Infotech is hiring for cybersecurity and VAPT roles. So they want you to work as a cybersecurity analyst, VAPT specialist. Freshers and experienced candidate are welcome. All of India, as per company requirement, can work. HR at innovatorinfotech.com is the mail ID on which you need to work, right? As a VAPT intern. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know accordingly. I can